Alright, let's run it.
Cooper.
Oh! You want to do the blind deaf and...
That means only three can cook though.
And then we split the teams.
Oh, so you did that.
Oh my god,
oh,
we
bet.
have 3-3.
Oh!
Oh, it's the guy that can't see. The guy that can't talk can still see.
Okay, but what does the guy that can't talk do?
They just do it without talking.
No,
They can still listen.
No.
Oh no, recipes would go crazy.
No, recipe fuck no.
Yeah, that's a whole different fucking challenge, bro.
Like, if we don't have directions.
Whenever it airs, it's always just so confusing.
No, because like.
Who makes the better tasting?
No!
They're making
Alright, that's actually a fun.
Wait, you gotta lean in, man. They gotta answer you. Alright, welcome to Mon's Favorite Chefs, Season 2. Today we're doing chocolate chip cookies, live, deaf, and mute. We got Donna, Timmy, and Ruben against Harrison, Angel, and Ben. Rules of the challenge are no instructions. We just gonna freestyle with the ingredients on the table, face to face. Winner is decided by you guys. Ben.
No, that doesn't make sense. Alright, fine. No, we're gonna be good, bro. Just let me do it. Who could that be? Alright, Ben's the mute.
Alright, let's get there. Alright, so this is fire. Oh wait, we can't.
I don't think we can touch it.
Wait, blindfold guy.
Okay, but what happened?
Only the blindfold guy can test stuff. So we just have to like talk to Donna, except we can't talk to Donna.
Alright, Donna gets letters and symbols.
Yeah.
And you tell.
You use hand symbols?
Yeah.
So I speak?
Okay.
He does it with his hand.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1,
go. Okay. What's number 1?
Wait, I didn't gotta tell me what it's on. Okay, you're not letting them know.
Okay, nice. Put it down? Yeah,
That's 2. That's 2.
Put it back. Put it back.
Keep going.
There's a hole right here. I want you to crack the eggs.
What are these cracks?
Okay. Alright. Yes. Yes.
Oh, eat it.
Yes. Yes.
I can touch
What
the
now?
What is
You guys can't touch it.
Let's take a big
In the trap.
In the
trap.
Look, we have big etiquette. Oh my god, guys. Slow down.
So now, we need to get a whisk. You need to get a whisk. Yeah, come back over here, bro. We need to come back. Come back. Oh, no. No, we gotta mix it.
Go get another bowl for our
Go back here, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, put it down, yeah. Okay, you got the flour now. Now grab it in there. Get it from inside. Oh, I mean, you can do that, or you can...
Oh wait, he's mute. Yeah, not even
close.
Okay, no, I'm not. I've been talking to Ruben. I can't hear now. Somebody get me a
Wait.
Keep going.
Uno más? Like 3 total. 3 total.
I know, take off the paper, I got you.
Oh, that's the... I don't know what you're saying right now. Yeah, perfect.
I keep on talking to Ruben like he's the one. I should be talking to Ruben. You are the next. No. Listen, you are the key to it.
I can't hear. Oh, you're... I'm the... okay, this one you can... I'm bad. One right. The left. Keep going. To the left. Okay, there's the break.
Dude, my dog's perfect.
I want you to get half a cup of this. Half a cup. Okay. Yeah. Wait. A full one. Get a full one. Yeah, wait. Half. Alright. Is that good? Is that what you're looking at? I can't hear you.
Tell him I'm visual.
Or no, don't shimmy it out. Shimmy it like
visualizing.
Oh, is that? Yeah. Keep on forward, keep on straight ahead. No, don't worry. Straight ahead. Alright, oh shit.
You put it in the ground, look, you can I look at something?
Give it to someone. Put it over Yo, we're adding water to this. Oh my god. Wait, we need milk. Yeah. Add milk. Add more flour. What is this? Alright, oh my god. Oh, it's okay.
Yours looks like the same thing. Yours looks like the same thing, bro. Do what he's doing.
Yeah. Where are you?
Emma. No, hold on. They have to throw this into floating.
Go. It smells like spring in there, like come.
Dude, he's the bear chef. He's the bear chef. He was like 15. Ruben skins.
I didn't know that.
It's one of them reels, bro, right there.
Wait, it made it look nice. I think it's more like strong as I don't know what kind of those.
Yes, he said it. But I do hoop in the car. Dude, it's gonna merge into like a cake.
I just put it in.